Hello friends, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to attach a file or any media in Notion. So to do that, you first go to your working page, and in my case I will just go here to theories flow. That's the page. Let's say I would like to add a file, and you may not have a section here that called file, so it's ideal to create a new property called file and media and then attach it accordingly. So to do that, first you have to go all the way down here and find this plus icon, click on that, and from there you can select whatever the property that you look for. In our case we're gonna choose file and media. So as you can see, now we have a separate section here called file and media. So let's say I want to add a file in the first row here. Just click, and now I'm gonna choose a file. Let's say I would like to upload this one. Okay, so now we've got our file attached here. To view it, click on these three dots from the view original, and if you'd like to download it, you can click on download. So friends, this is how you can create a different section for file and media and attach it in Notion. I hope this tutorial will help you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Goodbye.